distinguished Chief Guest of the Day, Honorable Colonel Vikas Jain, Commanding Officer 6th Kerala Battalion, NCC Talasheri, Guest of Honor, Colonel Sanjay Pillai, Administrative Officer 6th Battalion, NCC KV Talasheri, our special invitees, Dr. Srijit, President Talasheri Rotary, Rotarian CP Krishna Kumar, former Assistant Governor Rotary Talasheri, and most beloved parents, VMC members, other invitees, staff and students of KV Talasheri, a very good morning to all of you. It is with great joy and pride that we gather here today to celebrate the 3rd annual day celebrations of Kendriya Vidyalaya Talasheri. This is a significant and momentous occasion for us, marking another year of growth and achievement of our Vidyalaya. We are honored to have with us today our chief guest, Colonel Vikas Jain, Commanding Officer, 6th Kerala NCC, a proud alumnus of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sankadan. I'll just beef out. Commissioned to 52 Engineer Regiment in 2001, Colonel Vikas Jain as an alumnus of Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Sir holds BTech in Civil Engineering, MTech in Environmental Engineering from the prestigious institute IIT Madras and MBA in Supply Management. With over 24 years of distinguished service, Sir has held diverse command, staff, instructional appointments including key roles in Bhutan and along the northern borders, and also a recipient of GOC in Sea Commendation Card twice. Indeed, we are proud to have you, sir, on behalf of KV Talasheri and my own behalf and all other invited guests. I welcome you, sir, to this august gathering. I am happy to have Colonel Sanjay Pillai, Administrative Officer, 6K Battalion NCC KV Talasheri, also a proud alumnus of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sankadan. I also invite you, sir, to this occasion. Now, you know, we are running in a school which is owned by Rotary Society, and our beloved members are there with us in all our endeavors. Yesterday also, during the occasion of Children's Day, the Rotary members, Rotary Talasheri, sweetened our day by distributing sweets to all the entire students of KV Talasheri. So I welcome Dr. Srijit, President Rotary Talasheri, to this august gathering. So most welcome. And we have one more eminent person with us, Rotarian CP Krishna Kumar, a person who is closely associated with our KV fraternity. So on behalf of KV Talasheri and my own behalf, I welcome you, sir, to this gathering. Then I also extend a warm welcome to our parents, VMC members, Rotary Club members, parents of former students and teachers who all have taken time out of their busy schedule to be with us. Also, I welcome all our staff members to this auspicious occasion. Both our Chairman VMC, Sri Arun K. Vijayan IAS, District Collector Kannur, and nominee of the Chairman, Sri Karthik Panigrahi IAS, Sub-Collector, are showing keen interest in all the activities of our school. Their commitment to our growth and success is especially inspiring us. On behalf of Kendriya Talasheri and all our guests and invitees, and on my own behalf, I extend a warm welcome to both in their absentia, as they couldn't reach due to an unforeseen emergency at the office. Finally, to our students, you are the reason we are here today. And this celebration is all about you. Your achievements, your growth, enthusiasm fill us with pride. Once again, I welcome all of you into this special occasion and I look forward a day of joy, celebration and inspiration. Now, with the consent of the respected chief guest, Honorable Colonel Vikas Chin, sir, may I now proceed to present the annual report of the Vidyalaya for the academic session 2025-26. The Vidyalaya started functioning in the year 2011 in Kundurmala, adjacent to Talasheri Engineering College. The infrastructural constraints forced the Vidyalaya shift to the present premises at Dharmadam, a building owned by our respected Talasheri Rotary. The long-awaited dream of the permanent building for the Vidyalaya will be materialized in the near future. The 7.99 acres of land identified for construction, which is situated at Kadirur village, Talasheri, is taken by KVS for lease for 99 years and the registration process got over on 14th May 2025 and yet to start the construction by KVS. The district collector, who is the chairman BMC, and the sub-collector, who is the nominee chairman, are making their best effort to see the permanent abode for Kendriya Vidyalaya will be fulfilled soon. In spite of the infrastructural constraints, the Vidyalaya have shown excellent conformity to the core principles of KVS. KVS believes in imparting knowledge, values, nurturing talent, enthusiasm and creativity of its students for seeking excellence through high-quality educational endeavors. At present, the school has a total strength of 443 students and a highly motivated staff, which includes 19 permanent staff and contractual appointments in TGT English, computer instructor, school nurse, Malayalam instructor, special educator, vocational instructor and yoga instructor. So KVS is implementing all programs initiated by the Ministry of Education, also started implementing NEP 2020 in letter and spirit. Achievements in academics. Vidyalaya produced 100% results in class 10 board examination 2024-25. Shivanand Jidesh secured the first position with 96.8%. ORF, that is oral reading fluency, Vidyalaya became one of the toppers in the ORF test in English and Hindi in the Ernakulam region. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Kala Utsav, EBSP Kala Utsav, that is Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Cluster was held at KV Kannur and KV Keltron Nagar. Students from our school participated in various events. With great enthusiasm and teamwork, our students brought laurels to school by securing first position in group song, group dance, and Kumari Swatika Nair won the first prize in classical solo dance. Devanjali Rajesh, class 10, won second prize in the on-the-spot painting, and V. Malambika Nambiar won the third prize in the visual art 2D. The selected students represented the school at the regional level EBXP Kala Utsav held on 29th and 30th of September at PM Sri Devi No. 1 Palakkad. At the regional level, our team won the third prize in the group song. Satvika Nair of class 9 won the first prize in the classical solo dance, that is Bharatanatyam, bringing pride to our Vidyalaya by getting selected for the national level competition. Again, at the national level, Kumari Swatika Nair showcased her exceptional talent and brought laurels to the school, also to the region, by winning third prize in the national level competition held at Kendriya Vidyalaya IIT Madras from 30th to October to 1st November. Hearty congratulations, Swatika. Sports and games. This academic year, our students actively participated in various sports events at regional and national levels. In the regional meet held on 12th and 14th of June 2025, the students participated in the following events: football under 14, athletics, chess, taekwondo, yoga and skating. Master Adinath Sai M of class 8 was selected for KVS National under 14 boys in badminton. Then activities conducted. The following are the activities conducted in the Vidyalaya: Sanskrit Week celebration, Hindi Pakwada Samaroh, Swachhta campaign, Tarunotsav, Grandparents Day, various day observances, field visits, bagless day and many more. Then achievements promoting science and technology. Our school has taken several initiatives to promote STEM. STEM means science, technology, engineering, maths. Education in line with CBSE's annual theme. STEM Week was observed from 14 to 18 June, featuring exhibitions, quizzes, poster making competition that sparkles students' curiosity and creativity. Students actively participated in the national level programs such as Inspire Manag by Department of Science and Technology and Prayas program by NCERT. Under Prayas, our project on algal carbon capture system by NMINC of class 10, guided by Madam Dr. Ashita T. Professor, Talasheri Engineering College, and Mr. Prasoon Bedi, was selected for the scrutiny level. The school also conducted Vikasit Bharat Buildathon mega tinkering activity, Infinitum Quiz by NIT Calicut, showcasing the innovative spirit of our students. The Eco Club of KV Talasheri functions under the Mission Life initiative of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. The club comprises 43 students under the in-chargeship of Mr. Noble B. Sebastian, TGT Science, and the activities conducted include QR code making, Ek Paid Maki Naam, and celebration of World Environment Day on 5th June. Art and Culture. Art and Culture Department of Kendriya Vidyalaya Talasheri organized various programs during 2024-25 to nurture students' creativity and cultural awareness. Activities include wall decoration, art and craft exhibition, drawing and poster competition on themes like environmental protection, social awareness and national unity. Patriotic performances mark the Independence Day celebrations. Under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program, actually we have to pair with a school in Himachal Pradesh. Students of KV Talasheri conducted cultural exchange program with Kendriya Vidya Santol in Himachal Pradesh in June 2025 through video conferencing. Both schools students presented various cultural programs and had interactions with each other. Library. The fully automated library of Kendriya Vidyalaya Talasheri, powered E-Granthalaya 4.0, serves the academic and recreational needs of students and staff. It houses 3,312 books in English and Hindi with open access and seating capacity of 60. Library also include KV Talasheri Digital Library, Epic Library and platforms like NDLI, Project Gutenberg and Open Library. Ardhra Deepam project. Under the Ardhra Deepam project of respected Sub-Collector Talasheri, students and staff of Kendriya Vidyalaya Talasheri visited Sneha Bhavan Old Age Home in Mithalapediga. They interacted with the inmates, distributed the essentials and sweets to them and presented various cultural programs as a part of Christmas celebration. VMC, Kendriya Vidyalaya Talasheri has a very proactive VMC, and this year the first meeting was held in August 2025 at Sub-Collector's Conference Hall Talasheri. Following are the new members added to VMC: Dr. Liji L, Assistant Professor, Government Brannan College, and Mr. Binoy AK, ex-Army, as parent representative, Mr. Rajivan MC, Chief Health Inspector, Talasheri Railway Station, as a representative of CGEWCC, and Mr. Navish V, Physical Education Teacher, as teacher representative. Vidyalaya magazine and newsletter. The publication of our annual magazine Udan is a reflection of the creativity, talent and achievements of our institution. Both the school magazine and newsletter, that is mainly primary, was released on 17th September 2025 by Madam Soma Ghosh, Assistant Commissioner, KVS Ernakulam Region. Medical checkup. As a part of school health and wellness initiative, a comprehensive medical checkup for students, all students, was conducted on 24th and 25th September 2025 in the Vidyalaya. The checkup was carried out under the supervision of Dr. Srijit, Pediatrician, Government Hospital, Talasheri, along with the support of the school administration and staff. Scout and guides. Our school has one scout group, Vivekananda, and one guide company, Rani Lakshmi Bai, one cup pack, one bulbul flock comprising 36 scouts, 23 cubs, 55 guides and 17 bulbuls. 5 scouts attended Rajapuraskar testing camp at KV number 2 Kozhikode in July, and 2 scouts participated in the Tridiya Soban testing camp at KV number 2 Kasaragod. Scouts and guides actively took part in the Clean Green Beautiful Talasheri program under Sub-Collector's initiative, cleaning the children's park near the cricket stadium. Their efforts were appreciated by the district administration. They also organized awareness rallies outside the school, promoting social responsibility and community service. Also, I am happy and proud to inform you that very soon we are going to start NCC also in KV's Talasheri, and in this regard, NCC Talasheri has ensured all the support and help. Thank you, sir. The retirement, Srimati Mridula P, TGT English, retired from service on 31st May 2025 on superannuation. She rendered 32 years of dedicated and commendable service in the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sankatan since joining in 1993. Training of teachers outside and inside. Some of our teachers have undergone training at Vidyalaya level, also regional level, and also they attended the training programs conducted by Sri Aurobindo Society, that is called Rubandar, and ZIET, Zonal Institute of Education and Technology, Mysore. With this, I conclude. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Thank you all.